Alright guys, so welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going over my trade from Friday. At first I catched a really nice short here. I think I was also uploading this video yesterday, and I was literally shorting from this high here down to here, and then I ended the video. But yeah, like literally right after this I opened a new trade and I was able to catch this long here on the FOMC news. And I do not recommend trading FOMC, but I think the setup was still really valid and it was a nice try. So in this video I'm going to explain why I took this trade here. And yeah, I think I was able to catch like 4 hours, so it was not that high here, but yeah, we'll go over this. And yeah, as you guys know, I only stick to one model, and with this model I do not want to flex, but a lot of people asked me about, or I think there was one guy in the comments asking for proof. How did the model perform? And in this video I just want to show you a quick proof of my recent payouts. So in this year, I think in the last 12 months, I think I gained with TopStep over $20,000. I always say this, it's just a side hustle for me, so I still work part-time and also I'm still a student. But as you guys know, I'm really transparent, and here you can see my recent TopStep payouts. I think on Rise I received like, I think $15,000, but I also gained some other payouts. But here, just a quick proof. I think I don't want to click on it because maybe it shows my account number or something, but yeah, you can calculate this together if you do not believe me. Here was my biggest payout yet, so it was 4,400 euros on one account. And yeah, but now we come to my model. What did I look for and why I took this trade? So let's continue. So at first we had Asia session, we had consolidation here, and we also had daily low here. And what I really liked on this day, so the full week was like a really strong sell week, so we had a lot of liquidity here, and I wasn't sure if, okay, when we have a bullish, maybe Friday will take all this liquidity, or maybe the next week. But why I was bullish, so the first factor is, of course, we had these stacked highs here. So we had Asia high here, we had like London resting here, and also we had New York. So we had like stacked I call it stacked liquidity because like we still have some open positions here. We have a lot of stop loss orders resting here because yeah, there was no chance to liquidate them. And what I really liked on this Asia consolidation, we had the daily open, and we literally created no wick to the upside. The daily open is this blue line here, so the daily candle opened up here. We had consolidation and we went lower, and we swapped previous daily low already with the London session, and this was a really nice accumulation. Like, this could be the potential wick of the daily candle, because like I said, the daily open was here, so the daily candle created here, and the daily candle went straight down but bought up really strong here. So at this point, once we were here, the daily candle already was quite bullish because we had a long wick to the downside, and we already we started to buy up above the open. And yeah, but as you guys know, I don't trade London, so I not participated in this move here. But from this point, okay, I was like, okay, we swapped this low here, we swapped Asia lows, we have a lot of liquidity resting here. Okay, my buyers were clearly bullish. Then later in the session I started to trade a bit earlier. We had this setup here, and as you guys know from my last video, I shorted this one here. I think I can just quickly go over this. I was really careful because I already said in the video, okay, my buyers are bullish, I do not want to short too long, I don't want to get wrecked here. But yeah, the setup was quite nice. So we had a breaker here, and yeah, we also had, where was the open? Yeah, you know, exactly. We had the 8 AM open here. So the candle went straight up into this break, and I was like, okay, there's a really high chance that this candle will close bearish, because I don't like when an hourly candle goes straight up without creating a lower wick, the chance is really high that the candle will sell down to below the open. And that's what the candle did. So I catched the short. I think my short was somewhere from here. My stop loss was at first above this high here, and I targeted the daily open. But yeah, once this trade was on my side, I put the stop loss above this high, so we had a really nice trade. And after the 9:30 open, my take profit got hit, and I made like I think $900 or something. You can see it on the video. But yeah, I already said okay, my buyers are bullish for today, so I closed the position quite early. And yeah, once I realized okay, we have the daily open here, and we also have a lot of stacked lows here. So as you can see, we have this low here. We also have this low here. So a lot of people were liquidated here, and also smart money was potentially able to open long positions here, or open their positions here. And once I realized okay, we bounced off the daily open, was like okay, I want to long this, but to be honest, I had no chance to catch this move up here because you can see it was quite fast. But later on, price started coming back down. So price went up here, and at this point we still had these targets. So this little move up here did not catch this high here and all these highs here. So I was like, okay, we still have our drawn liquidity. I want to participate if price comes back, and price did that. So we had a little correction down here, and yeah, from the opening on we had a really strong order block here, and this was my entry. And also what I also was looking for was premium discount. So we had price coming back into discount. So I decided, okay, this could be a really nice long. And what I also really liked, and this is how I use standard deviation, from the move before, I think I already told this, I shorted this when we used the standard deviation. Or was it? Yeah, you can see, or I think I used this one here. You can perfectly see that this move down here perfectly hit the -2 and the -2.5, and as you guys know, I always use this as a retracement zone for bullish price action. So if I'm bullish, I'm looking for standard deviation from the last high, and I'm looking into from this zone here for longs. If I'm bearish, price most of the time price reaches the -4 target. So this was also on my side. I think I'm going to mark this out here. So we had the retracement zone. I do this in gray. And yeah, this was also one of the reasons, because a lot of people shorted this one here, but I was like, okay, we have bullish buyers, we hit this level here, we pumped higher, so there's no reason to short this. And also what I really liked, because this is the last entry criteria for my model, I'm using inversion fair value gaps for my entry. And yeah, this was just this one here. So I ended up placing my long order here, just right above the inversion fair value gap, my short order here below the low, and my target, I think it was like exactly 4 hour. And yeah, this is the trade. You can see all these highs were here, but yeah, this FOMC candle was really strong, so the candle pumped up a lot. And the only reason why I hit 4 hour was like I had no chance to set a take profit, like this price action was so fast. I only had a stop loss, and yeah, so for me it was quite a really good trade. And if you want to learn this, just subscribe to the channel. I'm planning on a video to explain this model more in detail. If you want to learn this, just like and subscribe, and see you next time.